What is going on, y'all? Well, welcome back to the channel. And in today, we got a brand new series for you guys. So you're probably wondering, Johnny, what did you do to JF customization? So, yes, I did have to end a series. So, I know we only ever did one episode of Grand Theft Auto. Now, that was like our first, um, video series with Keegan. And well, I decided that with a little bit basic, um, everyone was doing Grandpa's Farm, and well, me and Keegan got the idea of doing it. Um, and yeah, so this isn't JF customization. This is JF Customs. They sound really familiar. Similar. But I had to keep the name something with custom. Just because, well, it's a custom truck shop, you know? So, what we did was, we built, so, if you know where the old shop was, which was Field 10, um, our very first shop, that was Field 10. This is also Field 10, but it is very high detailed. But go ahead, upload the raise up. So let's let the boys work on these, and we'll see you in a couple weeks. I was just informed that they were done, and before we see them, thank you guys so much for 812 subscribers. It just makes my day knowing that we're growing that fast. So let's take a look at this one first. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Boys did a real good job on this. I'm guessing this one's for a gasoline company. I'm not too sure. It might be just used as a farm truck. But this Silverado is... Oh my gosh. This thing is clean. Um, but whoever buys this truck, believe it's already sold. I'm not too sure. But this thing's clean. So, yeah. But I was informed that there is another truck that we have to go pick up from a customer. We are buying the truck. Um, so parking sales report. That doesn't matter. Um, yeah, so we go ahead. And if happen to stop, it's why not? If you guys like the Hot Shop truck, rate it down in the comments. I think it's a nice looking truck. I believe it's this house right. I don't know if this is a house or a church. Yes, that's the true route. Nah. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, I take out the stop sign. Why not? Just right here. Hopefully, the AI cars will, since it's not too close to the road. So it's 2,500 heavy duty. Now, I don't know if this is a diesel or not. Let's go ahead and knock on the door, see if anyone's home. Hello? Anyone home? Yeah. Are you looking on? Are you the one looking to buy the truck? Yeah, I am. Alright, here's the here's the paperwork. Just go ahead and sign it. Alright, thank you. Have a good day, sir. Alright, so leave it right here. Let's go to just grab our pen, sign that. Alright, sir, here you go. Alright, I take your check. Let's go ahead and write him a check here. Alright, here you go, sir. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, have a good day, sir. Evidently, stupid cars. Sense are so sensitive. Sensitive. Stupid cars. Go. What? There he goes. Ah! Stupid car! There you go, I swear to gosh, if you don't go. Finally! Up the mailman! We all know Buck. Mailman is cursed. Oh shoot. Like I said, I'm driving slow for absolute duty. Oh, no. Right, go. Go. This is what I mean when I say the first. There it is. Okay, stop. Yes, I know that was the old sign. But anyways, so go ahead and oh, also we sadly ended the landscaping series and the homeowner series, so it's just these two series with the Johnny Farms and the Day of Dust. Let's go ahead. Truck there. Open that. Alright. I'm thinking to throw a bigger engine in it. But see what the boys are planning to do with it. I don't know what they could do whatever they want. If it turns out nice, they get a picture. Now, if they squat it, turned out like a piece of garbage, I'm firing them. So I'm not gonna raise the lift for this one. Just because they have to get the bed off and everything. So let's go ahead. We'll just make them a little note there. Alright, I'll see you in a... Alrighty guys, so before I show you this truck, if you are enjoying this episode so far, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to reach... Okay. Trying to reach maybe 1,000 subscribers by end of 2026. We grew like 700 subscribers last year. I want to thank you guys for doing that. But so let's go ahead and show the trick now. So this is gonna be our new color. It's pretty much the same as the old color. you can see, we did throw a 4500 in it. We got this stick two-tone color that we had laying around the shop, which I think looks amazing. Of course, we got the common sticker. Why not? This is a custom truck. Why isn't anyone moved the dang hotshot truck yet? Ugh. Park it. We're eventually gonna get some like ramps and stuff, or like to put show stuff, maybe cooler stuff. I don't know. I'm not too sure, but my favorite is probably the Silverado. Shout out to Roughneck. No. Shout out to Agritanos for making this truck. It's really a clean truck. So we're not sponsored by them or anything, but shout out to them. So yeah, just putting trucks out there. This will be the first episode of JF Customs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Johnny Farms out.